online class. This video totally about the reciprocal of rational numbers and division of rational number, because both are related to each other. Without reciprocal we cannot solve the division of any fraction or any rational number. So if you know the reciprocal of the rational or fraction number, then you can easily solve the division of fraction or rational number. So listen carefully, what is the reciprocal and what is the division of the rational number. So you know reciprocal just is a fancy math. You can say that this is a very easy and is switch the number. What switch the number means? We can switch the, like as here is a written what, 1 upon 2. So when we switch the number, switch means numerator write as a denominator and denominator write as a numerator, then like as 2 upon 1. So 2 upon 1 is the reciprocal of the 1 upon 2. 2 upon 1 is the reciprocal of the 1 upon 2. So this is the reciprocal of 1 upon 2. Reciprocal means just we can change the number or interchange the numerator to denominator. जब हम numerator को like as 3 upon 5. So question is asking what is the reciprocal of 3 upon 5? What is the reciprocal of the 3 upon 5? So just how we can find the reciprocal of the 3 upon 5. When we write the 3 write as a denominator and 5 write as a numerator, then we get a reciprocal of the given number. And one interesting thing is here, what if you multiply reciprocal of the given number, then always give a 1. Means आप अगर इसको 3 upon 5 को इसके रेसिप्रोकल से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपको हमेशा क्या मिलेगा, 1. 3 upon 5 and what is the reciprocal of 3 upon 5? So 3 upon 5 reciprocal will be 5 upon 3. Now multiply both number. Multiply, you know how to multiply numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15 and 5 3s are 15. So 15 and 15 cancel, you get the 1. So this is the reciprocal, and this is also a, you can say this is also a rule. If you multiplying any two numbers, any two rational number or natural number, if you get the product as a 1, so that number is a reciprocal of the given number. So another example, question asking what is the reciprocal of -7? So what is the reciprocal of the -7? So how we can find the reciprocal of -7? हमको कैसे मिलेगा reciprocal of -7? This is a very easy. We know this is a chapter of rational number and this is -7. So this -7 we can write like as a rational number. You know how we can write? We can write like as 1. Denominator write as a 1, because you know rational number p upon q, where q is not equals to 0. So this is the rational number. And then -7 upon 1. Now this number is also equal to the -7 upon, if is here write the -7 and equals to -7 upon 1, both value are equal, both value will be same, So -7 upon 1. Now we can write the reciprocal of -7 upon 1. How? 1 upon -7. But after the solution you always observe the answer. अगर आपको answers denominators you find in a negative form, what here is this is a negative form, so then you can convert in a positive form. And how we can convert? You know that multiplying by -1 in numerator and denominator, so we get the -1 upon 7. Now this is the reciprocal of -7. This is the answer. So this was all about for the reciprocal. So reciprocal means what? Just switch the numerator or interchange the numerator numbers and denominator number. So like as a 3 upon 7. So what is the reciprocal of 3 upon 7? It will be 7 upon 3. Means this is a reciprocal of this number and this is a reciprocal of this number. Means you can say 3 upon 7 is the reciprocal of 7 upon 3 and 7 upon 3 is the reciprocal of the 3 upon 7. If you can find the one product, both number, then your answer is correct. Now division. How reciprocal related to the division? Because without reciprocal fraction we cannot solve the division. Look here how. What is given here? Minus 7 upon 5 and division 35 upon 20. 35 upon 20. And you know, because you also solved the fraction division in a previous classes. So I think the maximum student know how we can solve the division of rational and fraction. Both process will be same here. So minus 7 upon 5, this is division 30 upon 5, 35 upon 20. 35 upon 20. So in the division, listen one thing. In a division, if the division is here, first and second fraction. In the division, we always write the first fraction second fraction reciprocal, not fraction. First fraction will be same right in the next step. Look here, means अगर division है तो division का जो first fraction होगा इसमें which one is the first fraction is here? Here is the minus 7 upon 5 is the first fraction. So we cannot write the reciprocal of minus 7 upon 5. This is a wrong. We can always write the second fraction reciprocal of second fraction, which and what is the reciprocal of, and also change the sign. So minus 7 upon 5. So division will be right in a multiplication, and then 35 upon 20 reciprocal is a 20 upon 35. Then we can solve by the multiplication rule. Minus 7 multiplied by 20, numerator multiplied by numerator, and denominator multiplied by denominator. This is a rule of the multiplication of rational number. Now here is a 5 upon multiplied by 35. So look, is a number is here divisible? Yes, we can cancel the 7 and 35 and 5 and 4, 20. So 5 ones are and 5 fours are, 7 ones are, 7 fives are. What will we get here? Minus 4 upon 5. So this is the answer. Now second one is a 15 upon 38 by minus 3 upon 19. Minus 3 upon 19. So by means division. So when we solve this question, 15 upon 38 will be right same. Right, keep as the same in the second step, and write the reciprocal of the first second fraction. So now division sign, then minus 3 upon 9, and when we write the second step of this question, then 15 upon 38, then division we can write in a multiplication, good, and then 19 upon minus 3. ये माइनस के साथ ही नीचे आएगा. We cannot write only the 3 ना. This is a minus 3. So when we convert or when we write the reciprocal of the second fraction, if the given in a minus, so we write with the minus, with number, with the sign, number with sign. Then look here, which, and by the multiplication rule, 15 multiplied by 19, 38 multiplied by minus 3. And when we divide when we cancel the numerator denominator, if there is a minus, जो हम cancel करेंगे, अगर वहाँ minus रहेगा तो minus को don't think about the minus, just we cancel the numbers. Then in the last, when we write the answer, then we think about the negative and positive. So 3 ones are, 3 fives are, 9 ones are, 19 ones are, 19 twos are, 19 twos are. So 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So what we get here? 5 upon minus 2. But look here, this answer 5 upon minus 2, and this is the given in a negative form. So we get the find what In which form you find the answer here? In negative form. You know rule. What is the rule? Rule, we can change the negative form in a positive form. How? Multiplying by -1 in a numerator and denominator both. Then answer will be -5/2. -5/2. Now this one, what is given here? 9 divided by -3/7. -3/7. So 9 will be right same as division, convert in multiplication, and then 7/-3. Write the reciprocal of the what? Reciprocal of the -3/7. And what is the reciprocal of the -3/7? It will be 7/-3. Then 9 multiplied by 7/-3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja. So 21/-1. 21/-1. Here you get the 21/-1. Then this is the in negative form. So we can, so answer write in a always which form? Denominator write always in a positive form in rational number. Then answer will be 21/1 or -21 is the answer. -21 is the answer. Once again I will repeat, the reciprocal means just you switch the number, न्यूमेटर को आप डिनोमिनेटर राइट करो और डिनोमिनेटर को न्यूमेटर में राइट करो. So that is the reciprocal of the given number, and division totally solved based on the reciprocal fraction. And when we solve the division, always keep in mind, write the second fraction, reciprocal of the second fraction, and division always convert in a multiplication. डिवीजन का साइन जो है मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा और उसका जो सेकंड फ्रैक्शन है उसका हम रेसिप्रोकल राइट करेंगे. ये this is a rule of division and reciprocal. So students, this was all about for the today, and today's your homework SW, solve the exercise 4C question number 2 and 3. Question number 2 and 3. This is your homework. One I have given in the last video. Now this is the 2 and 3.